Hi guys, it's me, Jolly's mom, and today we are going to be doing Jolly's morning routine. So let's wake her up. Jolly, wake up. No, I don't want to wake up. I'm tired. I went to bed late. Let me sleep in. Got a movie to make. Oh yeah. Get up. Uncover me. Jolly. Guys, she slept in her clothes because we watched the movie last night, and yeah, I fell asleep in my clothes. And Mom put me in the bed, and Uncle James and Mom were still watching, so she put the bed in her room. And yeah, because as you could tell, it's not my room. And yeah, so let's go to the washroom because I'm already dressed. I'll change after. My cover just fell. It's okay, we'll clean it up after. Okay. So, let's comb now. Where's your brush? Oh, here it is. Guys, her brush. She actually has another one, but it's downstairs and I don't want to go downstairs. Okay, well, brushing is done. Okay, do you want to brush your teeth now or after? I don't know. Maybe after the video. Yeah, you're right. Okay, since it's like pretty much lunchtime now, it's because you slept in. Let's go eat some stuff. Let's go eat some toast. Okay. First, I gotta go get something from my room. Gotta go get the case for the iPad. Okay, Jolly, sit it down. Right there. Okay. I'll be putting the case on the iPad. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I just gotta put it there for a second. Sorry. Ugh. Kind of hard how to fix this thing. There we go. Fixed it. Okay. Let's go eat some breakfast. Yay, breakfast. Ugh. Jolly, get your head out of the camera. Okay. Come on, Mom. Coming. Okay. Okay, well, bye, guys. I'm going to go eat some breakfast. Bye.
You're going to drop that iPad
Bye.
and you're going to be in big trouble.
Bye.
Look at her.
Stop. Okay, Mom, stop it. Stop.